So today we are going to see the ITU reference architecture of IoT in terms of we are basically we have entered in the device portion, IoT device classification. We have seen the high processing capabilities, and this basically deals with the connectivity. Yesterday we have seen the device categorization based upon the processing. Now we are observing the devices with low connectivity capabilities depending upon the capabilities. Okay, so these devices cannot directly communicate with the applications or cloud services through the internet. Okay, that means these are connected with the Bluetooth like of things. Or further exploring, I am those devices can directly communicate. This is the basically with very less, and this is the low connectivity capabilities. Those devices can directly communicate with applications or cloud services through the internet. For this reason, they don't need to rely on any architecture elements such as gateways. Okay, depending upon the processing, basically the devices basically here it is a high connectivity. Okay, it is a high connectivity and is a low connectivity. Low connectivity means it requires the gateway. Yesterday also I have taken the example of gateway. Okay, so entire your smart fridge, smart bulb, smart fan, or smart TV, whatever it may be there, all are connected with the gateway, and through the help of gateway it is connected to the cloud or some centralized platform. For the time being, just forget about the cloud basically. Okay, some centralized system they are connected, and from the gateway is the device that will be directly connected to the internet, so low connectivity means entirely your home automation, HAN. Okay, home automation network. HAN means home automation network basically. That is the connect, and that is the best part of this low connectivity capabilities. It can be connected to RFID or it can be connected to the BLE. And this is the high connectivity capabilities. That means those devices can directly communicate with applications or cloud services through the internet. For this reason, they don't need rely on other architectural elements such as gateways.
सर
Okay,
दोनों जगह
definitely
लो कैपेबिलिटी लिखा हुआ है सर.
some basically these elements you will find over the network. Gateway will be there, your smart devices will be there. The structure is like that. Some may be directly connected to the internet, or some may be directly connected to the gateway through the gateway basically. So there is no hard and fast things are there, but devices, as for the regarding the connectivity portion, two types of things you will find. Okay, one is the low connectivity and another one is the high connectivity part. So depending upon this processing and low connectivity, now we have seen the connectivity part and we have seen the categorization of processing part. Okay, now I am combining this one, processing and connectivity. Processing and connectivity I am combining, and after the combining, the devices fall basically into the three different type of categorization. Okay, first one is the low processing, low connectivity, that is the LPLC device. Another one is the low processing and high connectivity, LPHC. Another one is the HPHC, that is the high processing and high connectivity. All of you have got this type or not? So we have seen the individual classification of device, categorization of device in the form of processing as per the processing capability and as per the connectivity part of, okay, connectivity point of view. Is there any doubt in the regarding the processing and capability connectivity? Is there any doubt? Now I am going to combine the things. Okay, but after the combination, okay, after joining these two factors, basically device falls under these three categories. Okay, these three categories: LPLC, LPHC, and HPHC. That means low processing, okay, low connectivity, low processing, high connectivity, okay, and high processing, high capacity. These three types of devices you will find. Don't be confused with LP with the low power, because maximum times you will find in the IoT, LP deals with the low power. All the your basically all your IoT device, okay, IoT device are the low power device. Okay, low power device. Okay, and it is very difficult to keep it alive for the energy point of view. Basically, they have the gyrus batteries. Okay, their life is around 7 to 8 years. Okay, 7 to 8 years. So, or another option is the energy harvesting, like solar panel and like things, but in the home area, basically home area, inside the home area. So these are the gyrus battery based devices. Okay, use and throw devices, and life is fixed, basically 7 to 8 years, or it will depend upon the architectural process, or depend upon your vendor, from where you have purchased and what are the specification of particular device. So energy is the basic problem inside this one, because they work as a on a always on process, always on process. These devices should always be on. Okay, and it will depend upon your HAN, home area network, home automation network, या home area network, what you say. Depends upon the topology. Okay, at one side, in the BLE also, if you have observed, after some movement, some idle movement, your headphone goes in a idle mode. Okay, or automatically switched off. Okay, basically in idle mode. This is the very beautiful feature of Bluetooth low energy devices after the Bluetooth 4.0. If no communication is there, it automatically goes into sleep mode, automatically goes in the sleep mode to save the power, to save the power. This is the main feature of this one. So like that, every IoT device, especially in case of home automation, works on this fundamental features. Okay, low power, power is the big issue, power is the big issue inside the IoT ecosystem. So to main challenge is to keep it alive for the maximum time, so that it should complete the its entire life cycle, entire life cycle. Any doubt so far? Any doubt so far? Am I making sense? Is that clear? These type
Yes,
of
sir.
configurations are there: LPLC, LPSC, HPHC.
The repeat once again, sir. Repeat.
Kushbu, any doubt? Is that clear?
The repeat once again.
Ramesh ji is there? Ramesh ji, okay. Ramesh ji is there. Sir, the category with the T-shirt with RFID, it will be a low processing. It will be a low processing. Low processing, low connectivity. Low processing, low connectivity. Okay, low processing, low connectivity. Low processing, Puneet ji. Okay, it will be under the low processing, low connectivity. Yes, definitely, Sandeep ji, you are right. Ramesh ji is not there. Yeah, no processing means low processing, basically. Category low processing or no processing, both are same here. Okay, low processing or no processing. Here basically we are combining the system. Okay, we are combining the system. So okay, after combining these three type of things arises. Okay, three type of configuration arises as per the ITU. Okay, as per the ITU, LPLC, LPHC, and HPHC. Only three types. Now forget about this one. If it is a Bluetooth or RFID based communication, definitely only passive type of element will be there. There will not be any processing. Here, low processing means there will be some local and processing will be there, because we are going to combine the things. Okay, now it is becoming a architecture. It is a part of architecture. Okay, so some amount of processing is there, not in a device and basically, not only a device and basically it is an architecture. Okay, it is not a device. Low processing, it is not a device, basically it is a part of architecture. Okay, yes, I will tell about this one. Low processing, low connectivity means some RFID, some if you are in a shopping mall, in a shop, cloth, ready-made cloth shop of any shopping mall, and suppose one shirt is there that is equipped with the RFID, and it is connected to the some server, some local server of this particular shop. This is the example of low power, low processing, low connectivity. Okay, that means through the RFID communication is there within the range bound communication between that server and the shirt. And after that, this server is connected to that centralized platform. It may be through the internet or some like that. Okay, it may be a internet or like that. Okay, so these type of things you will find inside the LPLC. Here no processing you cannot say, okay, because we are combining the architecture. So if we are saying in a architecture it will not process any data, it will not process any data, so that means it will not make any sense. Okay, it will not make any sense. Now I am going to show you the architecture of this one. This is the ITU reference architecture of IoT LPLC. Okay, low processing, low connectivity. Here what we have the sensing, actuation, and the data capture. Basically some message handling is there, then gateway access is there, then hardware management is there. Okay, some sort of hardware is there. Okay, some sort of hardware management is there used to control this particular device. Okay, sensing actuation is there through the one tag or one chip is there. Okay, it will deal one message handling will be there. Okay, like BLE is going to send some messages to that particular server with the help of gateway. That will be a local gateway. Okay, that will be a local gateway. There is no scope of any internet access. There is no scope of any internet access. You can see here no internet access is there. Are you getting my point or not? LPLC is
Oh,
clear.
yes.
It is a local land process. You take the example of one shopping mall, and that I have a cloth shop. Basically one showroom is there, like shopper stop is there. Whenever you are going to purchase a shirt from any shop, okay, it is equipped with, suppose it is equipped with RFID. So it is a range bound communication within the shop. After that it will be connected to the internet or whatever it may be the platform. Forget about this. That comes under the, that falls under the category of LPLC. That is the low low processing and the low connectivity. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any doubt? Yeah, smart bulb also, your entire home network can also be like that with the help of gateway. Definitely smart home, your home automation basically within the home. It can be this one HAN, basically home area network, or this one home automation network, whatever it may be. It is the best example of LPLC. Now I hope you have got the point. So you just remember, sensing, actuating, data capture function entity provides the functions to read data from sensors, write data to actuators, and capture data from data carrying devices or data carriers attached to the physical things. And a message handling functionality provides functions to send and receive messages by using an application layer protocol. It also can provide a state machine or handling in incoming messages. Gateway access functionality provides functions for communication management with the gateway. Okay, or it provides the coordination between the various elements, various hardware elements. It is also a coordination device. Gateway, we can say here, it is a coordination device. Hardware management function entity provides the functions for accessing the hardware like sensors, actuators, that provides the basically inter-sensor communication. There are two type of, because yesterday also we have discussed various type of sensors, heterogeneous platform will be there in entire system. So it will provide the coordination or the proper communication between the sensors or different type of actuators, communication interfaces, hardware peripherals such as timers, analog to digital converters. So I hope you have got the idea about the LPLC. Is there any doubt LPLC in LPLC? Is there any doubt? It is a within the range bound communication. Okay, it is the simplest form of IoT architecture. Okay, used to develop some home automation network or your smart business. Okay, smart business, within that one no processing we cannot say. Device falls under the category of no processing, low processing, and high processing. But here connectivity also combined with this one. We are going to develop some architecture, so we cannot say it is a no processing type of thing is there. So we are categorizing the LPLC first part, that is the low processing, low connectivity. Here I mean to say the bulb is your smart bulb or bulb is communicating with the fan for any reason. Okay, within the home or within the room communication is this the falls under the LPLC. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Neha, it is clear? Okay.
Okay,
Ramesh
sir.
is not there today. Ramesh is not joined.
Sir, I am
Okay,
here.
sir.
I am here. I am here, sir.
Ramesh ji from Lucknow not joined.
I am here. I am here, sir.
Okay. Why some people are worried by using the Zoom? I don't know why people are worried about this one.
Somebody
Okay, why
please can
people
help
are
me
worried
and
about this one? Because a lot of
communicate
times
to Nitin
I have
sir.
already conveyed
He,
it is a matter of cyber
matlab it is
hygiene.
only him
Okay,
who
definitely I
is
will
not
switch
able
to
to
the,
hear
I
me.
am not sticky over the Zoom. As per your convenience, I will switch to the WebEx from Monday or Tuesday onwards as per my convenience. Okay, Ramesh ji, don't be afraid about the Zoom basically. Okay, have trust on me. You will not
Oh,
be okay. So don't worry about that. Okay, all the platform are safe or unsafe. Don't worry about that. Please be stay with me and trust. You will gain a lot. Okay, I will definitely I will take your suggestion. I will move to the WebEx or this one. Okay, yeah, definitely I will switch. I will switch. Zoom server is in China. Okay, Ramesh ji, I will talk to you. I will talk to you. I will try to make the things clear. And definitely I will move towards the
okay,
WebEx. Okay, because your trust is more important for me. I will switch to the WebEx, but after 1 or 2 days. Okay, after 1 or 2 days, because nowadays I am busy in some assignment basically, so I don't have the time to set up the this one. So that's why I will. But please stay with me. Don't worry about that for the time being. Okay, Ramesh ji, have you got my point? Have you got my point? Okay, please be stay with me. So now another
Okay,
is
sir.
the
Okay, sir.
LPHC. Another one is the LPHC, that is the low processing high connectivity. Okay, low processing high connectivity. What about this one? Let us see.
LoRa.
All of you are getting. Now I have muted everybody. Okay, this is the another part LPLC. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, it is clear to everyone. Now it is a okay. Now we are going to see the LPHC, low power high connectivity. Low power high connectivity, same type of arrangements are there, but little bit another things are also there. Here we have the sensing actuation, data capture, hardware management. Also in the previous version LPLC also we have seen this type of things. Here we have the message handling also. Here two things are there: connectivity management and cloud service application interface. I think it is a self-explanatory. Okay, I think it is a self-explanatory. Now you have got the point. Okay, after this it is outside the room or outside the home. It is the outside the home. That means data is going towards the cloud. Okay, data is going towards the cloud. It may be for decisioning or it may be for information. Okay, it every time cloud means it is not going to be for the decision basically. It may be possible for storage point of view, you are using the cloud. Okay, cloud is basically a very big platform. Cloud is very big platform. It is not only for basically a decisioning point or any other. It may be used for the storage point of view also. Okay, it may be used for the storage also. Okay, so here we have the two different things, that is the connectivity management and the cloud service application. That means here our shared data or t-shirt data is going towards the cloud for updation point of view. Forget about the decisioning here. Okay, forget about the decisioning here. Here we have the centralized server over the cloud, that is the complete virtual platform. Suppose okay, we are not going to complex the system. Okay, yeah, connectivity management means interoperability. That means at home automation part or the this one, suppose a smart shop, basically you have the connectivity in the form of Zigbee or Bluetooth, and you are shifting towards the internet protocol IP. Okay, there should be some shift. There should be some shift from one protocol to another protocol. That means a layer 2 to layer 3. So some sort of connectivity management is required. Definitely it will be in the software part. It will be in the software part. Okay, all these things are in the software part. You will find inside the gateway. These things you will find inside the gateway. Okay, connectivity management you will find inside the gateway, definitely. And it is basically here what I mean to say, the connectivity management means it is will be a, from local processing zone to outside processing zone. Okay, from layer, it will be a direct jump from layer 2 to layer 3. Okay, layer 2 to layer 3. Yeah, you can say, yes, you can say FASTag is the example of LPSC. Okay, after that it is going to be connected to the server basically, or the cloud, centralized cloud. Okay, even your smart home also, in LPLC also I have taken the example of smart home and smart shop, basically two examples I have taken. Okay, and but I have not shown you the processing. Okay, I have not shown you the processing or the some centralized storage. Okay, in that case some processing, in that case some processing you will find, or the some storage you will find inside the cloud. It will depend your application basically, because from repeatedly I am saying that it will depend upon your service, because it is a service oriented architecture or service based architecture. So your application will decide what you want basically. Okay, what you basically FASTag also